All set and ready to race, and they're off. Early lead is taken by Cool Reception by the rail. And moving up now on the outside is Mutiara. Mutiara on the outside, Cool Reception by the rail in second. Conquista Boy running in third. Entry number 3, Magic Machine and Reality Show. And nearing the far turn, Mutiara on the outside, Cool Reception by the rail. And moving up on the outside is Conquista Boy. And here comes Magic Machine moving up on the farther outside. And at the far turn, Mutiara, Conquista Boy moving up on the outside. It's now Conquista Boy in the lead, followed by Mutiara. And Magic Machine moving up on the farther outside. And here comes Reality Show. And the last bend for home, it's Conquista Boy in the lead. It's Conquista Boy, Magic Machine moving up on the outside, Mutiara by the rail, Reality Show on the farther outside. And into the home stretch, it's Magic Machine on the outside, Reality Show. It's Magic Machine and Reality Show on the outside. And moving up by the rail once again is Conquista Boy, but it's still Magic Machine in the lead. It's Magic Machine. And finally at the payoff line, it's Magic Machine, Conquista Boy, Reality Show, Mutiara, Cool Reception, Invincible Inc.
Ang lakas ng loob.